This man is an absolute genius. He decided to go camping by bike, but before he could leave, he ran into a problem. Aside from the backpack he was wearing, there was no way to secure the separate recording bag to the bike. After a quick 10-second brainstorm, he came up with a modification idea. He brought over a rusty dump cart from the yard, planning to attach it to his bike as a mobile storage box. First, he sanded off the rust on the cart, then prepared some paint remover. Since the original paint was peeling off in patches, he decided to strip it all, exposing the base layer for a new coat. Next, he cut the steel rods welded between the cart bed and handle, separating them into individual parts. Then he drilled through the leftover points on the back of the cart, making 4 holes in total. He brought 2 steel plates with matching holes, inserted bolts through the 4 holes from inside the cart. The back aligned perfectly with the steel plates, tightening everything with nuts for a secure fit, repeating the same on the other side, keeping both plates level. Next, he placed 2 steel plates horizontally, welding them together at the junction to form the needed shape. He then prepared a sleeve, originally planning to fit bolts into both ends, but the size was off, so he welded the bolt heads to the ends of the sleeve, then welded it to one of the horizontal steel plates in the center, found the midpoint, and vertically positioned a square tube, creating a T-shape. With that, he finished modifying the back of the cart. He then coated the entire thing with limited edition yellow paint, applying it evenly inside and out. Next, he considered how to attach this cart to his bike. For this, he needed to create a connector. He started by welding U-shaped steel onto a steel rod, securing the other end with a small bearing, making a connection point. He clamped the U-shape under the bike seat, inserting a bolt and tightening it with a nut to hold it firmly. Then he cut a strip from a leather pad, wrapping it around the cart to prevent unwanted knocks. You have to admit, he thought of everything. Since it was to be a storage box, he decided to add a cover to the cart. For easy access, he installed a hinge at the edge, joining the 2 carts into one unit, giving it basic storage capability. Finally, he added small wheels to each end of the bottom beam for easy sliding, and extended the steel pipe to form a push handle, welding a bearing at the end, firmly connecting it to the attachment bar. As for the cover's top space, he didn't let it go to waste. He added a wooden plank to hold extra items, and just like that, his mobile bike storage box was complete, with enough space inside to hold a water jug, and fit his backpack too. The top tray holds his tent bag securely. Now he no longer has to worry about carrying plenty of supplies when biking out for a camping trip. So, what do you think of his creativity? Out of 10, how would you rate him?